everyone. Welcome to the Snap AR talk, and hope you all are coming in from our amazing lounge. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do that after. But it's so great to be together here in person. It's honestly such an exciting time to, for our community, for creators, for developers, for startups, for entrepreneurs, and students. I think now the technologies powering augmented reality have advanced to live up to our vision and scale on phones, making AR widely accessible to people all around the world. And we're here to tell you more all about that today. So, most people, when they think about Snap, they think about these dog ears and rainbows. But, we're here to tell you that our camera has become far much more powerful, evolving from a way to communicate visually into a robust, augmented reality platform. At Snap, we're working hand in hand with developers, who are many of you who are in this room, and creative technologists to push the boundaries of what's possible in both mobile and wearable AR today. We're firmly rooted in reality, bringing information and creativity to you rather than taking you somewhere else. And it all starts with our camera. The camera is rapidly evolving from capturing moments in time to serving as a real-time tool for everything from communicating and expressing yourself to learning, to trying on fashion, shopping, making art, or finding your way in the real world. And we're seeing incredible traction. Over 250 million Snapchatters engage with AR every single day. So what does that mean? It means on average, people interact with AR on Snap 6 billion times per day. And so how is that possible? Well, there's over 250,000 lens creators from nearly every country in the world who built over 2.5 million lenses with our creation tool, Lens Studio. And these lenses, they're not just viewed by like 1 or 2 people. No, they've been viewed by over 5 trillion times. And a few of these over 300 lens creators have more than 1 billion views across their lenses. This is huge. The AR is no longer just something that we've all, hoped would happen. Like, it's happening today and it's happening now. The scale adoption is just honestly extraordinary. And there's a few key building blocks that enable developers to build on our platform and actually create scalable businesses. Take, for example, Wabi Sabi. This is a studio based in Mexico City. And after several years of sustainable growth, in the last year, they increased their annual revenue by 250%. Not only that, but they've also grown from a small team to now 30 in-house employees. Another example, take Blink, an LA agency who has been building with Snap since the launch of Lens Studio. In 2021, the company 20x'd their revenue to their first 7-figure year, and they're just getting started. They'll be raising their first round of funding this summer to take them to the next chapter of their growth. There's endless potential, so today we're here to show you why now is the right time for you to start building your business in AR and to choose Snap AR. First is the foundation of our AR platform, which is Lens Studio. It's a desktop app to create and publish lenses. It's simple enough for beginners, yet powerful for professionals like many of you in the audience today. Snap AR is an end-to-end platform, so developers can publish their lenses right into Snapchat, into iOS or Android applications using Camera Kit, and into our AR glasses, which we'll touch on today, spectacles. We offer a range of programs and pathways to help developers build a career or business, drive innovation, and we have a very exciting opportunity that Joe will share with you later today. So let's talk about Lens Studio, where all lens creation starts. We take the most innovative, complex, machine learning, computer vision technologies developed by our team and package them right into our tool. So you can use 3D body mesh, object recognition, location-based AR, and make all of these tools available for free in Lens Studio. The toolset is incredibly robust, intuitive to use, and adaptable for a wide range of use cases. It's no longer just, again, for dog ears and vomiting rainbows, but you can use it to build education experiences, shopping experiences, or redefine what the future of play looks like. We believe that AR is most impactful when it's helping people express themselves, socialize with others, and when it's interconnected into the real world. Empowering people to express themselves creatively is in our DNA. By turning over the tools to you to build personalized experiences, AR lowers the barrier for people to communicate with their friends, play in the moment, and just be themselves. Features like voice ML, hand tracking, and 3D body tracking let developers build lenses that react to your voice, or allow you to play an instrument, or even shapeshift into your friends. You can strike a chord with your audience with our sounds library, adding licensed music and audio clips, which give lenses a whole new dimension. Again, all for free. AR first became social on Snapchat by making it really, really fast and fun to share snaps privately through chat, friends on your story. But now there's just even more ways that developers can build real-time social experiences that friends can return to again and again. A few weeks ago at our Partner Summit, we introduced a new advanced suite of back-end services called Lens Cloud, which vastly expands what a lens can do. Let's check it out.
With Snap AR, if you can dream it, you can build it. Now with Lens Cloud, the next generation of AR is here.
With location-based services, you can do more than read about history. You can experience it.
Go beyond just identifying plants. Expanded storage services gives you the capacity to cultivate a whole garden.
And with multi-user services, you can experience lenses together from anywhere. Dream big and build even bigger.
Right? So let's now take a closer look at how a few developers are already tapping into these three main Lens Cloud services. So first, multi-user services lets groups of friends interact together at the same time within the same lens. So we worked with Play, who is a part of the Ghost Innovation Lab, which Joe will talk on later today, and they created this game called Monsters Everywhere, which lets friends fill their room with friendly little monsters, and you can watch and play together all in real time. So we fundamentally believe that a lot of this core technology will usher in a new era of gaming. AR is also incredibly impactful when it's woven seamlessly into the real world. So it can intricately tie into spaces and make them feel larger than life. So Lens Cloud's location-based services lets you anchor lenses to local places that you care about, everything from statues to storefronts. So you can create your own custom landmarker, like this one, which we'll play in a moment. Luke Hurd's lens that brings sax and sounds of jazz legend Charlie Parker to life at a local monument in his hometown of Kansas City. Oh, it didn't play. Well, anyways, it's an amazing just rendition of this jazz sounds of Charlie Parker. So if you're ever in Kansas City, you can go to this monument and check it out. Location-based services also power new large-scale templates called city landmarkers. Central London is the first city landmarker available now, and this template provides a full 3D map to bring a true city-scale AR experiences to life. I really love this visual because it just showcases the various point clouds within the city landmarker template that you can download just off the Lens Studio website. Later this summer, the LEGO Group will use our Central London template to make the streets of London more playful through AR. More city landmarkers will launch in Lens Studio over the next year, which will unlock the potential for educational and useful experiences like walking tours and local directions. The future is really now. Coming this summer, storage services will make it possible to build complex and interactive lenses by storing assets in our cloud and calling on them in demand. What does that mean? Before, you were limited to 8 megabytes when you were building with Lens Studio. No longer the case. So you can integrate many high-fidelity assets like 3D models into one lens and save your users' progress and preferences. AR that's connected into the real world also needs to look and act realistic. We've added a lot of different features over the last year, including our physics engine to make AR elements react in real time, and our material editor polishes them to make them look as advanced as possible. This summer, we're also adding ray tracing to bring a new level of dimensionality to AR across a wide set of mobile devices for the very first time. Our API library lets lenses surface real-time financial translation, weather, and sports data from various trusted partners like FTX, AccuWeather, and Sports Radar. These APIs bring useful and personalized information right into the world through augmented reality. On top of all of that, you can also tap into the power of machine learning through our SnapML technology. We've made ready-made models like multi-object detection to get useful information about what you see and translate items in the scene in real time, like this lens shown here. You can also plug in your own model to discover new possibilities, like identifying which birds are in your backyard. I know that there's definitely a few birders out there. I myself am one, and I love using this lens. With capabilities and the services that let lenses connect more closely to the world around us, AR is also spurring business transformation. Marketers, brands, and businesses are realizing that AR really is the future of shopping. Thanks to capabilities like 3D body mesh, cloth simulation, and foot tracking, it's now possible to not just visualize how an item looks, but how it looks on you. And since January of last year, more than 250 million Snapchatters have engaged with AR shopping lenses more than 5 billion times. That's so much, and it's only going to continue to grow more and more. AR is also heightening the places and events we love, and our technology can be applied to entertainment, live events, and other sorts of cultural experiences. Whether tracking down exclusive merch at CompexCon or highlighting untold stories with the Los Angeles Museum of Art or finding ways around the stages of Electric Daisy Carnival, our AR technology brings rich dimension and business value to all kinds of storytellers. Here's a quick GIF, also should have sound, but it was an EDM dance thing. I wasn't gonna start dancing, but There are so many ways for audiences to discover and experience lenses. Snap's AR end-to-end platform is built for you to reach people where they are and where they want to engage on mobile today. But we're not stopping there, and you can also experiment alongside with us with our AR glasses, Spectacles, which I brought on stage today. But before we get there, as I mentioned, here more than 250 million people engage with AR on Snapchat every single day. When you open the app, you'll find lenses built by AR creators in Lens Carousel. One tap into Lens Explorer, and you'll see our entire library of lenses, personalized and organized by categories, so you can very quickly go in and figure out if you want to explore more world-based lenses, music-based lenses, shopping and fashion lenses in the Dress Up tab, and more. Beyond Snapchat, developers and partners are bringing Snap's camera technology. Ooh, the Spectacles just turned on, so good because I can take a video later. Beyond Snapchat, developers and partners are bringing Snap's camera technology into their own applications on iOS and Android through CameraKit. CameraKit is our AR SDK that's unleashing new ways for AR to bring a new dimension to customer experiences. CameraKit has already been adopted by a wide range of partners, from global brands like Samsung and Microsoft Flipgrid to digital fashion apps like DressX and storytime apps like Zoog. What's most impressive of a lot of these applications is really the number of activities that they're seeing through their users using augmented reality every single day. So take DressX, which lets people try on fashion in AR. 70% of their users engage with lenses, and on average try on AR looks 22 times per day. Zoog, an app for reading children's books and creating memories when families can't be together. Using Lens Studio, Zoog built a series of apps, a series of lenses, where readers can become a whole cast of storybook characters, making bedtime magic for families. But it hasn't just been magical for these families, it's also been magical for Zoog. They've driven new user acquisition and improved engagement, and seen over a 280% increase in conversion to viewers to download the app after offering lenses. Their users were 42% more likely to share their creation with loved ones after Zoog's camera kit integration. That's huge. And again, it's AR expanding into new use cases. This year, we'll continue to work more closely with new partners to integrate camera kit and develop new use cases for AR. Mobile app developers can request access to camera kit beta on developers.snap.com, and stay tuned for more news about expanding access. Okay, we did all the mobile stuff, now let's get to the glasses. So beyond mobile, with spectacles, we can also overlay AR experiences directly into our view, empowering us to engage with computing the same way that we naturally engage with the world, with our heads up, looking out at the world, and being able to touch anything seamlessly without holding up this device in front of our view. We're accelerating this path to this future by iteratively building out in the open alongside our community today. Last year, we introduced our next generation spectacles, our first pair of AR glasses that overlay computing right into the world. They're the lightest and brightest display, and honestly, the best looking, if I say so myself. So I'm just gonna quickly take a video of you all. So now I'm recording a video, and something that we're very, very proud of is the fact that we're privacy forward, and so this light that you can see in front of me is because I am taking a video, but once it stops recording, when it will play back in front of my eyes, which is just really, really impressive, but also it's powered by the Snap spatial engine, which leverages 6 degrees of freedom, hand, marker, and surface tracking, which overlays the world with both fun and useful computing. These spectacles are already in the hands of hundreds of developers across 30 countries, and they've built hundreds of lenses, and they'll continue to explore new use cases across gaming, fitness, wellness, and more. So let's take a look at how these developers are using spectacles.
The possibilities of AR are alive and endless. With every advance in tech, we actually allow humanity to express itself more fully with each other, more connected.
Come here.
So what wearable AR means for the future is that computers are going to start to see from a more human perspective. When you couple that with voice ML,
Yes.
3D hand tracking, and connected lenses, no longer is the brain just in your pocket. You're now allowing technology to see from your own perspective.
The way that we interact with the physical world is with our hands. So that's why hand tracking is a very important step in merging the digital and physical world together.
Voice ML is going to give us the opportunity to have a frictionless interface.
Let's try this one. Place it here.
We can very easily call up anything that we need at any point. Orange.
Make that gesture with your hand and you'll plant the seed.
You're going to have new experiences that are all just based on words in new ways.
Connected lenses is simply about bringing people together in a shared space. I imagine a world where people are more connected and go out and explore together.
Lens Studio makes developing for AR more accessible for creators by lowering all the barriers to entry and And with these advancements in technology, we're actually allowing us to express what's been inside all along and open opportunities that were not even possible. Create the world you want to see.
So you can try out spectacles right after the session today in the main stage lobby and enjoy the wonderful lounge that the Snap AR team created. So whether you're looking to experiment with spectacles, integrate AR into your own app, or reach a global AR native community, the Snap AR platform empowers you to dream it and build it. Next, please welcome Joe Darko, our head of AR developer relations, to share more about how the Snap AR platform supports our developer community. Thank you.
Thank you, Sophia. How's everyone doing? So hi, it's great to be here and see plenty of familiar faces of our Snap AR community. Sometimes people in tech, more often than not, people think we do everything. Our parents think we're tech support. Friends think we're help desk. Sometimes we're Geek Squad. We're whatever they make us to be. But it is our team's job to help you reach your definition of success. Whether you're looking to build your own career or whether you're looking to build your own business. We at Snap are focused on finding ways our community can grow through three main paths. One is the Snap Lens Network, two, the Ghost Innovation Lab, and three, our Creator Marketplace. Through the Snap Lens Network, top AR developers receive access to new tools before they are publicly available. We invest in experimental projects and offer paid opportunities for brands. Plus, members, and that's what a lot of people love, the members receive a verified Snapchat profile that offers them even greater access to Snapchatters globally. Next, our Ghost Innovation Lab give grants for AR exploration and product development across verticals such as education, navigation, accessibility, health, wellness, fashion, and more. Ghost Fellows, as we like to call them, team up with Snap developers and leads, tech leads, to leverage the most advanced capabilities of Lens Studio for helpful new ways to use augmented reality. Like In Situ, a civic engagement startup that's taken urban planning proposals out of city halls and layering them right over city streets. Through Ghost, In Situ worked with Snap team to integrate Camera Kit, allowing their app to expand to more places and democratize urban development. As more Snapchatters, businesses, and developers are finding value in Snap's camera, there's increasing demand for skilled lens creators to build extraordinary AR experiences, whether on Snapchat or in apps using Camera Kit. The Creator Marketplace lets brands and businesses search and partner with top lens creators to build AR experiences. Let's take, for example, AR agency named Blink. They highlighted their music industry expertise on the marketplace. Smule, a karaoke app, found and hired Blink to build custom lenses for their Camera Kit powered app. It was a match made in karaoke heaven. I hope I could make it there one day, but I can't sing. Fingers crossed. Performance recorded with lenses drove about 50% more views than those without. That is a big deal. We've covered so much, from the variety of lenses you can build to where they are discovered and how we support AR innovation and building businesses. For example, Paper Triangles, a boutique new media agency. The three co-founders got their start in Lens Studio for a Snap AR hackathon back in 2017, 5 years ago, publishing their first lens called Campfire. And they've come a long way since. Let me share more light. Through the Snap Lens Network, they are now building dozens of lenses per month for brands like Nike, Crocs, and Nickelodeon. It doesn't stop here. Paper Triangles reports that they have reached more than $3 million in annual revenue, have scaled to a team of 10, and are accelerating their growth. Just like Paper Triangle's team built their first lens for a Snap AR hackathon, now it's your turn to get in on the action. I see some smiley faces. I think they kind of guess what is happening next. Today, we are very excited and thrilled to launch the Snap AR Lensathon, our first global event to challenge you all to push the boundaries of what's possible in AR. Bring your biggest ideas to life through World AR experiences across the following categories. Interactive play. Create a lens for fun, competitive play. Fitness and wellness. Show how AR can support people's well-being. Fashion. Design an experience to express yourself from head to toe. Or education. Turn a classroom lesson into a new lens on the world. With a total prize of over $140,000, we will offer prizes for each of the previously mentioned categories. There are also going to be regional prizes. And of course, there's going to be an overall global winner who's going to take home $50,000. Follow the website to register and participate. The Snap AR Lensathon, Global Lensathon, kicks off right now and is open through till July 13th. So it's time to build your best lens yet. At Snap, we are so excited to be here with you to share more about the power of the Snap AR platform and invite you to join our community. For folks who are here in person, join us in the lobby to meet myself, Sophia, and other Snap employees to learn more, check out work from the community, and even try out our AR glasses, spectacles. We'll be hosting our networking event from now to 2:15 p.m. And finally, this afternoon, we're hosting a session called Building Fashion and Retail AR Experiences with Snap AR from 2:55 to 3:20 p.m. It'll be a great way to learn about lens studio features that power AR try-on experiences that are true to life. We hope this session has inspired you to dream it and build it. Whether your aim is to build a career or business, or even get a head start on your Lensathon project. Thank you so much for joining us, and we can't wait to see what you will create.